Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. Look forward to working with you on your next truck. Want to take you on a walk around a bread truck that those at Flowers Bakery and Bimbo may find of interest to work with us here at Lee Smith. This is the Isuzu 14.5 Gbw Chassis featuring a 20-foot body. The wheelbase is 176 inches. We'll have the gas engine with the double overdrive automatic transmission. This one here has the cargo lamp on the interior, which is the LED light in the back. On the interior you have your nice driver position, two major cup holders, your safety for your wallet, your receipt holder, business card holder, clean out with regard to your trash for a hook on the interior, AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth radio, microphone down below for your audio controls and safety. Tilt and telescopic steering column, power windows, power brakes, your check for your brake fluid, overhead storage, back pocket storage as well. The body features the maximizer door, two-step entry with the collapsible or foldable bulkhead, notch to go over a latching mechanism, fold down, gives you 20 feet of flat floor usage on the interior of the body, and a slide side lock. To open the side door, unlock the key cylinder, slide it back, get your first access of your breads, fold this up to get to the rest of the access for the rest of the day. On the driver's and passenger sides are the E-track for safety and lockdown. Coming over to the back, we have the Tommy gate extended platform rail lift gate that goes up against the back of the body. A look at the back of the interior, two rows of E-track right and left. You have your maximizer door pocket for the side with a smooth. The door latch at the far front is the latching mechanism for holding that collapsible bulkhead for most of the day. Hardwood scuff allows to make sure that you run the product in the crate edges for the bread up and down the interior of it. You have that to protect the product from the latching of the E-track, as well as protect the sides from the constant rub. The back of the body we have draining to make sure the product inside stays dry. Please make sure that you inspect this from time to time, removing any kind of debris so it has a drain to keep it from building up on the interior. To turn your Tommy gate on, Tommy gate has a power button. Push that twice, you get an activated light the way you come up and down. On the side we have a flip down because of the size of the gate. We have to hold this down as it comes up. As it makes connection with the cantilever, it'll start its folding process on its own. It'll self-lock into here. You do have a padlock point. I'm going to lower this back down so that I can put this in storage position. This is again a 20-foot body, 91 inches of inside height, and I look forward to working with you on your next truck. Again, Mike Olden with Lee Smith. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Make it a great day.